Hi guys, do you want to know how I'm gonna go to Japan in 2020 for essentially free? I booked 2 round-trip first-class tickets for me and my boyfriend to travel to Tokyo next year in 2020 for a whole week, and this will be about the 5th trip that we've taken on credit card points. I love traveling and I love sharing my travel adventures with everyone, and that's the reason why I'm starting this YouTube channel. Later this year, I'm going to Los Angeles, Cancun at an all-inclusive resort, and Florida. Hello. Florida is more of a family trip. Earlier this year, my boyfriend and I traveled to Vancouver, Seattle, Korea, and Chicago. We stayed at hotels such as the Hyatt Regency, the Waldorf Astoria, all paid for by credit card points. And I am not talking about points that I got from referrals from being a YouTuber, but these are points that I just earned organically through everyday spending. But not everyone's made out of money, and I'm not made out of money. So I would also like to share with you guys my financial tips and tricks with credit cards, reward planning, and just how I'm able to travel everywhere for little to no cost. And on my channel, I'd also like to talk about credit, how to build it, facts and myths about it, and how to best optimize your credit card strategy to maximize your rewards and travel. I like making YOLO experiences responsibly though. I feel like most of the other YouTubers that talk about credit card points and miles either live on the West Coast or the East Coast. I'm just your average Midwesterner, about as middle as you can get in Missouri. I'd like to share with you guys my experience on how to travel for cheap and make memorable experiences. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for more videos about my travel experiences.